Hello and welcome to your EastEnders spoilers for the episodes beginning the 9th of March. Love is in the air this week as we have not one, but two proposals on the square. The first comes from Jay, who, after Lola's surprise last week, is ready to show her just how committed he really is, by planning to marry her. Unfortunately for Jay, his secret might be out, as Lexi sees that he has a ring, but she does promise Jay to keep it a secret. Yeah, I'm really sure that Lexi, the girl who talks about everything that goes on, is going to be able to do that, Jay. You've just got absolutely nothing to worry about. The second proposal comes from Stuart this week after Rianie is left embarrassed when an old client of hers turns up to the funeral home and she is desperate to keep him from Stuart. If that wasn't enough to deal with, when he takes her out for a meal to cheer her up, they bump into Mick and Linda, who, let's not forget, were only a few weeks ago saved by Rianie and Stuart themselves. But Linda seems to have forgotten all of that and is quick to say a few judgmental words to Rianie. Again, is Linda forgetting her public behaviour from the past few months? I don't think she really has any right in slagging Rianie off, but there you are. Lucky for Rianie, she ends up on top when Stuart asks her to marry him in an attempt to cheer her up. But does she say yes or no? Mitch gets into trouble with Chantel this week after he accuses Gray of cheating on his wife because Jack has informed Mitch that he has seen Gray going in and out of a hotel instead of going to work. The truth is, Gray has been suspended from work, and when Mitch voices his concerns to Gray and offers him to help him out with money, I have no idea where Mitch has got money from, but still, Gray automatically thinks Chantel has been talking about him to her dad. So he ends up lashing out at Chantel yet again, only to find out from Karen that Chantel never said a thing. Will Gray be able to live with the guilt of hurting Chantel again? And how long will it be before Mitch finds out the real truth of what's going on behind closed doors? And there you go, there was your spoilers for the week beginning the 9th of March. And remember, if you've enjoyed this, we also have a podcast every Sunday where we review the week in full, and also we have original content on this channel every Thursday at 8 PM. So don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below about what you think of the week, and also to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any EastEnders news.